After getting probation for intoxication assault with a vehicle, this woman violated the terms. Will her tears convince Judge Boyd to give her another break? If you serve the full 10, they're going to be an adult by the time you come out. The other child, not going to know you. Somebody else is going to be raising them. All right, court is calling 2023 CR 1876, State versus Yvette Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Attorney Scott Sullivan from Miss Martinez.
And are you Ms. Martinez? All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I do.
Are you the same Yvette Estrella Martinez placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 1876 for the offense of intoxication assault with a vehicle serious bodily injury on August 10th, 2023 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 42 on or about the third day of October 2024, Bear County, Texas. The defendant Yvette Estrella, is that Estrella? Martinez did then and there fail to obtain and comply with all rules, regulations, instructions, and financial agreements associated with the transdermal alcohol monitoring program, in violation of condition number 42.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition 42, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 10 years in prison and up to $2,500 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 42?
Yes.
Court will find condition of 42 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is to deny the motion to revoke individual's probation, order weekly reporting for 60 days. Also order her to bring in, or by the end of today, bring in proof that she is enlisted or is enlisted with the DWI intervention program, or because I believe that she had already had it, but then was disqualified because she missed a day.
Mm-hmm.
And then also order zero tolerance to all conditions. And then also order state ISF, but hold that in abeyance.
All right, so here's the court's question. The proof of the DWI, you say intervention program,
Yes, Your Honor.
are you enrolled?
Yes, I was enrolled and then I missed a day, so they kicked me out, but I'm gonna be enrolling in Cicada. If you would permit me to enroll in Cicada, the intervention program.
All right, is she gonna be able to enroll in that today?
Yes,
Money
Your Honor.
wise, she can make it.
All right, so you
If
need,
the office is open,
Well, Judge, that's the only, my caveat that I told defense counsel. I don't know if they'll be able to get over there by today.
all
We
right,
have to allow till tomorrow.
you need to be enrolled in that program no later than October 30th by 1 p.m.
Yes. Your Honor.
And the court is going to order weekly reporting for 90 days. Now, the other question is, what's with the alcohol monitoring?
the
Is
month
she
guard.
monitored? Does she have a monitor?
Yes, she does. I'm sorry. She has the scrim on her ankle. I apologize.
Okay, no problem.
I thought I had to go monitor her personally there for a minute. Thanks,
Okay.
Judge.
Continue with scram until further notice. And I don't normally order zero tolerance, but I'm putting it here just so you will know. It's zero tolerance. Do you know what that means?
I cannot have any violations. I cannot mess up.
All right. All right, is there anything else from either side?
Judge, the only thing we had asked is to hold the state ISF in advance.
All right. And ISF, and that'll be held in abeyance.
Nothing else with the state.
Anything else, counsel?
Nothing, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record.
I just want to say, because I feel like it's right, that I am truly sorry about what happened to the gentleman that was injured. You know, it breaks my heart knowing that I could possibly go to prison for this stupid choice that I made. And I love my kids so much, and
All right, so here's the thing. Let me just tell you. People who are on probation, everybody loves everybody. Everybody intends to do better. But then what ends up happening, they pick up a motion to revoke. So what I'm stressing to you, because you've been here
before the court. And there have been issues with monitors. There's been issues with you not following through on what you're supposed to follow through on. You're looking at 10 years in the prison. And Ms. Abrams, also do a referral to felony drug court.
Should not meet the criteria.
But when was it done?
That's
All right. All right. So here's the thing. How old are your children?
8 years old and 3, 4.
Do they live with you? All right. So let me just tell you, if you end up going to prison for 10 years, you do the math. Your 8-year-old, if you serve the full 10, they're going to be an adult by the time you come out. The other child, not going to know you. Somebody else is going to be raising them. So you had better get it together. Otherwise, somebody else could potentially end up raising your children. Do you have somebody lined up to raise your children if you don't do right? Then you know what could end up happening? They could end up in foster care. You understand?
Yes.
So you're going to have to do better. And I will tell you, in this court, people have drug problems, people have alcohol problems. I always say, let your probation officer know what's going on. That's the thing. But you got to do your part. And when I tell people to let probation officers know if they have an issue, it's not going to probation and begging them, oh, I really don't want to do this condition. Or, guess what? I got kicked out of the DWI intervention program. That's not what I mean by going to your probation officer help. I mean, picking up the phone. I'm about to use alcohol. Where can you send me? What can I do? That's what I mean by help. Help with you being successful in your probation and not drinking anymore. Because otherwise, what's going to end up happening, you're looking at 10 years in prison, and that's potentially a full 10 years without you being in your child's life. And I will tell you, CPS court, your 8-year-old, it's hard to get 8-year-olds adopted and 10-year-olds. People always want a little baby. Your younger child, though, somebody will adopt your younger child. And then your children will be separated. And when you come out, you're going to be trying to find them. You understand?
Yes.
So I'm not being mean, but you had better start stepping up. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Your Honor. Good word. May we be excused.
You may be excused after she speaks. Well, you can. She needs to speak to probation.
If probation wants me to speak with them, I will. Doesn't that? Can I be excused?
Oh, sure. You're excused,
I'm
but
stay in the courtroom.
all right. I appreciate that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.